Okay guys, I was just riding my scooter and this fell right in front of me. Like, here's my, yeah, I know it looks like Ohio scooter, but this poor birdie just fell right on his neck. See that? And I'm gonna bury him. Hold on. Okay, let me just dig. Okay, I'm just gonna carefully pick him up by the wing and lay him in there, poor thing, and bury him up. Now I'm done. Here's the grave. P.S. I put it in my yard. He's buried right here. R.I.P. Birdie. Died May 1st. Oh, sorry, May 2nd. I didn't mean to put that. Bye.